No, just make sure your hand's not at either of the ends, because sometimes it shoots out the bottom.
Can I get a glove?
Who has full finger glove?
I don't.
I feel like getting shot with a grenade for some really stupid reason. Oh, and now this wonderful hairdo is going to be on YouTube.
Yeah.
Fucking
Unless you delete this footage again.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is your punishment for that.
Oh, this is going to hurt.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, my butt! Oh, that one stung. This is Brandon.
Fuck you, America.
He is a Marine, and he's about to show you why. Because he's braver than I am.
Ready?
We're ready.
Brandon, joining you.
And this is Steven. He'll be a Marine very soon. You probably want to get back to. I hope it pops. Oh shit! They're coming out everywhere! Brandon, come back! Pull back!
Talk to the trailer!
WD-40 and a lighter.
Talk to the trailer! This is a non-dude.
God, those yellow ones suck ass! See? See? Those things suck!
You want me to throw it?
It's over.
That's one of their old planes that they fly around.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Wow, that's sick.
You better be careful it doesn't land in
Oh, you better make it into the fucking thing, Pablo.
Fucking
Ah!
It's on you.
Wanna.
and get a burst malfunction for it.
Oh, fuck yeah.
You want me to pull it?
If you want to, here.
That's sharp.
I was afraid of his getting stuck.
Just give it to me when it fucking lights.
I'm gonna get burned. Now screw the lighter. You gotta pull them.
Here, you want to? Oh, wait,
Damn, I was like, what the hell am I recording?
That's why you don't shoot that close.
Wow, yeah. Yeah.
Look at my sweet rifle.
First time this happened.
Let's see, Rafa. Look at Mark 12 Mod 0 without the upper rail and a huge 8-inch suppressor. And that thing just looks fucking beast now. Awesome. What? Hey, don't do that to your weapon.
No tactical gun stand.
Yeah, tactical gun stand.
Whatever. Randomness.
Two.
Push up, guys. Push up. So, today I got footage of this.
So, Randomness Volume 5?
Yeah, I mean, it's in the process. It starts off with you throwing the baseball. What? There?
Yeah, he's like.
Oh, I see him.
It's like I already got hit, so I don't know why you're looking at me.
I'm dead.
Dead.
Fuck, fuck. Why does she always not get killed than I do?
I know how I'm wearing
I don't remember this.
it. You can see.
Sorry, baby.
Oh, where's it? Make sure people know you're there.
I know. I don't have a gun up. They should know.
Is this gonna work?
We can do knife fights right now,
We're gonna do Who's got
and then the train's recording. All right, you're good.
There you go.
We can go past. We can go past 8.
Getting picked up at 8.
Yeah, who needs to leave at 8?
I'm good.
Let's just get some gas and light it on fire and just...
I'm already recording it. I'll just edit it out.
Is it even lighted?
No. Oh, yeah, it is.
Oh, slow burning. Wow. Imagine like a fucking powder keg of that. Dude, look at that snail line.
Nice.